evaluate scenarios. Here the first step is risk identification. After the risk is identified that it is dangerous for the human beings, for the animals or for the plants, management committee has to take special decisions. But before going into the decision stage, they have to check that what are the circumstances, what are the events or the scenarios when the risk attempt has been identified. So they decide that which scenario protect against high risk, which scenario protect or give us better protection through incident response planning. So management risk committee that is associated or comprised of biosafety officers, lab investigators and people from different disciplines. They design and establish procedures, go for implementation, and they have special regulatory networks to deal with the protective measures. Apart from this, risk assessment methodology helps to give us the special rank or level to the scenarios. So risk assessment method that is used to give rank to the scenario is the technical assessment system. Here we give the rank to the scenarios according to the scoring system. Now, what are the factors that create scenarios? One are the pathogens and their toxins, because both are acting as an antigen. Keep in mind that whether it is bacteria, virus, parasite or fungi, they are acting as a foreign body and they are recognized by our immune system as a antigen, as a response of which antibodies will be produced, and antigen antibody when combined with each other, immune reactions can occur. The second scenario is the individuals or group wish to steal the pathogens. This is a terrorism attack, theft of pathogen or toxin. Again, this is a terrorism attack. Now, this terrorist included in the scenarios of high and extreme risk. So there are different scenarios whether we are dealing with the pathogens. We have to create the scenarios that is for the workers working in the lab. This is of less biosafety level, that is biosafety level 1 and 2. But when we talk about the pathogens that are acting as a bioweapon, or when there is a condition when the pathogen is stolen from the labs, then it is acting as a high risk. So here management decision committee has to decide that which procedure has to be applied depending upon the scenarios.